Alrighty, folks, welcome to Stormtopia and Stormtopia.com, Stormtopia.com Facebook page. Pretty busy weather pattern that we have setting up right around here. It is Christmas Eve when I'm doing this video. If you're watching this on Christmas, I probably won't have a new video out until, Christmas, the eve after Christmas, not before Christmas. But this will likely remain my thought throughout Christmas. White Christmas looks like it's on its way for anywhere really north of Baltimore. I mean, we had a decent snow today across that area. Tonight it's going to be snowing across southern New England, and it's Tuesday. Heavy snow expected Wednesday through Friday. Let's start off with this storm on Wednesday through Friday. This is essentially what I'm thinking right now. Heavy snow across a large area. Really anywhere north of I-95 you can expect greater than 6 inches of snow. Now, it's a generalization. It might not apply to everyone, but it's pretty much what I'm thinking right now. We're talking more than a foot, perhaps even up to 1.5 feet. And I'm going to get to the snowfall amounts in just a bit. Let's take a look right now at the European model. European model, generally the best forecast model that we really have to work with, and it's especially good at winter weather forecasting. Let's take a look at the morning of Wednesday. This is just when this thing's starting out. We got a little bit of drizzle going on in the southern mid-Atlantic, heavy precipitation off to the west. It starts off as a mix down into the southern Appalachians, rain in the mid-Atlantic, heavy rain over to a heavy mix. We're talking freezing rain going over to heavy snow in through central Pennsylvania. The 540 line will not be the rain-snow line. It has not been that way at all this winter. It will not be that way for at least the rest of the winter because, folks, that is just not how it works. The actual line of where it's rain, where it's snow, 32 degrees, is about 3/4 closer to the 546 line than it is to the 540 line. So if I could draw a rain-snow line at 2 a.m. on Thursday, it would probably look something like this. Okay, and the snow hasn't even started in southern New England at this point, so this is a long duration event. Throughout the morning hours of Thursday, the snow continues to move on to the north and east. It's about 5 to 10 hour burst of heavy snow and a 12 to 18 hour, sort of prolonged light snow. It's pretty much an all-day event for most of New England on Thursday. By the time we make our way onto Friday morning, the low is just beginning to wrap up, but we're still dealing with wraparound snow into eastern New England throughout the day on Friday. In terms of snowfall accumulations, I'm a little less confident about this one as I am to the, inch or 2 or 3 that we see on Christmas across southern New England. But this is essentially what I'm thinking right now. Along I-95, likely about 2 to 6 inches. Now, that's a big range. If it's mostly raining, you only see a little bit on the backside, an inch or 2. That's possible. What's more likely right now is that you see a mix, slush, going back over to snow, and then you get 3, 4, 5, 6 inches. 6 to 10 inches in the suburbs north of I-95, 10 to 15 inches northwest of there, 15 to 18 inches in the higher elevations of Pennsylvania. State College might have one of the highest totals in the region. I wouldn't be surprised to see around 1.5 feet in those areas. 15 to 18 inches in interior southern New England as well. Places like Keene, places like Leominster, places like Greenfield, Rutland, Vermont, all looking to get more than 1 foot of snow and potentially up to 1.5 feet. Now, this is not even the last storm that we're going to be talking about, because the European model shows yet another storm coming in later on the weekend. This is going to make our way out to Saturday night, potentially another huge storm. This is not a minor thing at all. Moves off the coast of North Carolina, and we're talking about blizzard conditions and another 1 foot of snow along the coast with this one. There's a lot of uncertainties with that one. There's a lot of uncertainties with this one. So, I mean, it's still far out. I don't want to confuse you. We've got a little bit of snow. Basically, to sum it up, a little bit of snow on Christmas for most. A lot of bit of snow for some on Wednesday into Thursday and wrapping up on Friday. And then potentially even another storm after that on Saturday into Sunday for parts of New England. Now, that storm on Saturday and Sunday we have very little confidence in. The storm Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday we have moderate confidence in, and we have high to extreme confidence in the storm on Christmas. That's it for now. Have a good day.